So here we are on the 10th of August at the promenade at Silloth. Lovely day, a little bit breezy. We just had some lunch and just having a nice stroll down here. Very pleasant, nice easy walking along this promenade here. In the distance over there you can see across to Scotland. I'll just pan round now. Probably you'll hear the wind. Scotland over there. Silloth has this lovely green area, which is very, very nice. We've been to Silloth a few times over the years. First trip was back in 1997, and we've been back at various intervals since. So here we are, walking along this pleasant area.